Beautiful freestanding ranch condo in the Village of Richland. Built in 2021 and still under warranty. Spacious floor plan with 9 ceilings throughout. Open concept great room west/corner gas log fireplace, beautiful kitchen west/island sink, granite countertops and stainless appliances. Large laundry/mudroom with laundry tub and granite-topped bench. Bathrooms have top quality vanity tops. Master bath has a huge, low threshold, custom tiled master shower with 2 shower heads, built-in seat and shelving, ceramic tile and vinyl plank flooring. Covered front porch and backyard balcony deck. 2-car attached garage with plenty of storage space. Unfinished daylight basement which is plumbed for 3rd full bath. All built with energy saving and accessibility features.